Okay, hi everyone. My name is Mila from PR 211C, and this is basically like a rough summary of my trip to the UK. As you can see on the first picture here, it's kind of blurry on the page, but yeah, whatever. Jadi di sini, this is when we first landed in Heathrow Airport. Though it's pretty cold, it's pretty surprising for us. And this is the next morning at Warwick Asian Conference, where I chose the FinTech for Climate Change seminar. And after the conference, we made a quick stop at the cathedral. We took a lot of really cool photos there. And this is the next morning, the third day, when we took a picture in front of the King's Cross station. Is that right? And this is the Chelsea football stadium, the Stamford Bridge. This is basically inside the stadium, which is really cool. We learn a lot about how Chelsea operate their business over there, how they earn their income, and also what they spend it on. And this is my picture while I'm working on my art graffiti. I made this is my little creation, the Mike Wazowski. And this is the fourth day, the photography workshop with what happened? With Miss Lou Smith. Next, here is also another picture of the workshop. And this is the Big Ben, which we unfortunately didn't see because it was still under construction. The London Eye. The workshop app design, which is probably the most of your favorites because of, obviously. This is my creation. This is my app. And after the workshop, we went to tour around a little bit inside the design museum. This just happened to be my favorite section, which is the history of fashion design. And this is the UCL tour. This is my friend Keken. Hi. Still UCL. Next is the workshop at Wicked Musical, where we learn about how to properly warm up before performance, and we also learn about a little bit of acting and singing for musical theater. And after that, we went to see the actual Wicked Theater at the Apollo Victoria, which is really cool because it was my first real theater outside of LSPR. That is Keken again. And on the 14th of February, which was Valentine's Day, we spent at the Royal Courts of Justice. This is a little photo set with my friend Yaya, a photo group. And next is the CSI Forensics. This is my team working on a murder case, which, by the way, we won, so we get the bragging rights. And to close off Valentine's Day, we spent at the British Museum looking at mummies and stuff, which was pretty depressing, but fun at the same time. And this is jump onto the last day. We spent at the Buckingham Palace, but unfortunately we didn't see the change of guards because it was cancelled due to the heavy rain. And after that, we went to spend some time at the Westfield Mall, and I finally got a chance to try out Five Guys burgers, and it was to die for. And I think that's about it. Okay. First of all, I think I got more confident in interacting with someone who is completely the opposite of me, like someone who doesn't speak my language. Like I don't really feel nerve-wracking when speaking to, someone from a different apa sih namanya, dari lokasi luar, dari daerah lain ya, in this case bule lah. And the second thing is that I definitely learned a lot about things that I would never imagine doing, such as like street art graffiti. Who knows that I would turn out to be good at graffiti? Well, the mentor said it was 6, so I feel pretty good about myself. And yeah, that's about it. Thank you.